How many times have you been out there on YouTube creating a huge ass video, putting in a lot of effort, and then only 2 people watch it?
Ballin', I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama. I'ma turn these zeros into tens and
Yo, what's up guys, it's Reinis here, and I'm here to further the income and impact with YouTube and Instagram. So I want to go over real quickly what will we cover so you have an understanding, but you can take notes of what we'll be doing. I'm not gonna give you the regular stuff you hear, oh, you know, like, do this, do that, like fucking regular shit. I'm actually gonna give you some novel content, so stick till the end. So the biggest mistake is you trying to understand what other people want. So you basically just sit down on the computer, right, like I'm sitting right now, and you just think, if I was that guy, what would I think and what would I want? Well, guess what? You're not that guy, so you cannot think like him. You're unique, you cannot think like a different person. Don't even try that. This is the thing you just throw out of the fucking window, right? Because this is why a lot of times you post a video and nobody watches it, because you think people would watch it, but the market doesn't really need that video, because for example there are a lot of those videos out. Then you also think about what's their problem, like what's their problem. But as I said in the first point, you're not them. You don't know what their problem is, and you cannot know that. Now I'm gonna go over how actually should you be doing your market research, and this is gonna you're gonna have to take 4 steps, not a lot of steps. So number 1 is read. As you can see in a little MacBook over there, you have to read. You have to read and understand what the market needs. And yeah, I didn't write think, I wrote down read, because that is more important. You need to read and understand what the market wants. Then you ask the market, you ask the people in the market, you ask your followers, what do they want? And you find from the answers. And then you fill in the form, the 5 question cheat sheet you're gonna have in down below. So right now I want you to leave your head and go into theirs, and not the way like you would sit down on the computer and think like them, because it doesn't work like that. I want you to find your niche on this site, buzzsumo.com, because over here, as you can see on the screen right now, you can see, let's say for example, my niche is fitness. I can type it in and it will show me the top like blogs that are out there, top shared, top like, I don't know, engaged, LinkedIn shares, yada yada yada. And you might think, well, I'm making a YouTube video, why do I need to look at this? Because here you can really understand what market needs. With the first thing, like you can see, okay, so best 10-day home workout plans. So you might be, if you see like 5 of those in the top page right now, you know that people are interested in like the home workout, so you can make a video on that. Then what you can also do, you can click on the link, it will take you to the actual blog page, and you can see right here, like, if the page has comments, you can go in comments and see what people say over there. You can read it, you can read the blog, and like this, you're gonna understand the problem much better, right? Then yes, you can see the comments, I'm so skinny, I want to gain weight, but like, for example, in this case, people want to lose weight and, you know, achieve their dream body, but they don't want to go out of the comfort of their homes. So this is why these whole workouts would be great. You're gonna go through BuzzSumo in your niche. If you see a pattern of some kind of a question or some kind of a problem that's being repeated over and over and over again, not just in BuzzSumo, in the next points I'm going to share with you as well, look for that. It's the key video that can go viral for you, right? Look for that. So yeah, so you're just finding where people engage, looking at comments, see what they're frustrated about, their problem, their biggest fears, and everything. Go to Instagram, take out your phone and go to Instagram. Find like the top 10 influencers, for example, as I said, in fitness. Find those, search them up, look at what they're doing. I think you can do it. You do this would be like, I don't know, like Brandon Carter. You can literally go to their channel. And I'm gonna show you how to see videos that are doing great for him. You go to videos, then you go to sort by and most popular. You see like abs workout, fat burner, abs workout. You can see the patterns. What are happening over here. People want to learn how to get abs, and this is exactly how I found out. I went to a big ass influencer, I saw about what they're creating videos on, and I saw the pattern. And right now I know that if I would want to make a video on fitness, an abs workout, people would watch that. Because you can see from the pattern, if they're watching other videos, they're obviously interested. You can read the comments, you can look at everything, and people want that. They want to learn how to do that, right? This was the read part. So now we're going on to the step 2, which is ask. So like, reach out to people in your niche. If you have a page that's about fitness, go to the Instagram stories, create a poll, and ask them what they want to see. Ask the community what they want to see. They're gonna answer. This is your audience. People will tell you what they want to know more about, and this is the thing a lot of people have talked about, so I'm just gonna skip it and go further. So if your niche is maybe like a niche where not a lot of people want to like answer stuff publicly, you can email them. You can email your customers, DM your customers and anybody, and ask for their problems. Like literally the questions from the cheat sheet, kind of reformulate them and make them in a better form that would fit the email form, and put them in there and let them just answer those. Boom, super easy, you're done. And now with the answers you have, you can fill in the five question cheat sheet. And guys, wait till the end of the video because I'm not done yet. And I have to remind you, if you skip a part of this, you're gonna lose out on a lot of value. So keep on with me and don't skip anything. Then find. Once you talk with someone in a niche, use the 3 why method. The 3 why method. And this is super important. If somebody answers your poll or swipes up and DMs you about the topic he wants you to cover, the topic 97% of the time isn't the pain point he's having. The reason for your video or the product you're going to be selling after the video is to fix his pain, is to sell him something, or is to get him as a subscriber. So in order to do that, you have to find his true pain point. And by this, you need to ask the 3 why questions. And this is also how can you build a cult around your page. So let's say you're into fitness. Let's say I'm Andrew and I want to lose fat. And this is you. You ask me, Andrew, why do you want to lose fat? And answer you, well, I don't feel confident enough. Why do you want to be more confident? Because confidence is the number 1 priority, how to get girls. Why do you want to get girls? I want to get laid. Just as simple as that, guys. And this is how you can see what the core problem is. And this is how you can build your personal brand around. So if you say that in fitness, there's this Andrew guy. There are a lot of Andrew guys out there that just want to get girls. And the way they think it is through fitness. You can sell them stuff, sell them info. It's about how to get abs and how to get girls online with your abs, stuff like that. And the way to do is the best like example for this would be student aesthetics. He showed that he's out partying, having fun, doing this, doing that, breaking the limiting beliefs about fitness that all you have to do is eat chicken breast and rice, right? And he became viral because people wanted to flock to that, right? People wanted to get that, right? And for me, my branding and my why is, guys, I know you're here because you want to learn more about Instagram and YouTube, how to make money off of that, and how to further your impact. This is literally what I said in the start. If my editor is editing this, put this in the start, right? And keep this clear. Then after you're done with the find method, pretty much this is all you did. Now you're filling in. Once you find the core problem, you fill it in and create the video. Answer the 5 questions in the cheat sheet, which I told you was linked down below. And now you can write the script and create the fucking video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to learn, like, guys, how to make money online, how I'm making $5,000-$10,000 off my first Instagram page, click the second link in the description below. It's gonna take you to it's gonna get you an ebook, a free ebook. That's actually like pretty much exposing me how I do that. So if you want to learn that, go down below and get the cheat sheet as well, of course. If you got the cheat sheet, you're gonna get the book as a gift. So guys, thank you for watching. Gang, gang, gang. Peace.